mas iingay pa yan kasi kung napasayaw kayo, eto naman, kikiligin kayo sa ating next performers!
Eto na nga, put your hands together for PBB Collab Season 1, Kapamilya Heartthrobs! Palakpakan po natin sina Ralph De Leon, River Joseph, and Brent Manalo!
What's up, everybody?
Sa'yo ako'y matapang, sa'yo ako'y lalaban, sa'yo mamahalin na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo merong pangarap, ang mahal ko sa'yo'y tapat.
Hello po! Ako po si Baby Doll Brent. Ako po si Baby Doll Ralph.
Ako po si Baby Doll River.
Kung may baby dolls, eto na talaga yung mga baby boys. Grabe, ladies and gentlemen, Ralph De Leon! Ano sample? Ay, giling-giling din? Gusto niyo ba sila makita mag-giling-giling?
Ayan na!
Okay, direct, pakiyo naman ang music para kina River, Ralph, and Brent. Giling na yan!
Go, boys!
Parang si Direct Joey later. Ay, tinuturo ka din ako.
Direct Joey ulit! Direct!
Direct, tinuturo ka ni Sir Noel. Mawawala na yung galang sa kanya. Later na lang sa backstage natin panoorin si Direct. Once again, palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat for joining us dito sa kick-off ng MMFF 52. River, Ralph, and Brent. Grabe ang sigawan sa GH Mall. Lalo na nang bumiling sila. Diba? At dahil umpisa na nga ng MMFF 52 season, gusto po namin malaman kung may pelikula ba kayo this year at kung anong dapat abangan. Meron ba? O secret pa yan? Secret pa o wala pa silang sagot? Ikaw ba, Michael?
Tara lang sa'yo.
Secret.
Naku,
Okay.
exciting yan. Abangan yan for sure na lahat nandito sa GH Mall. And Brent, River, you guys were part of MMFF last year. You guys watch every year. Ano ba dapat ang reason kung bakit supportahan natin ang mga Pilipinong pelikula?
Siyempre, super important to support mga Filipino movies, lalo na sa MMFF. Siyempre, part rin to ng tradition ng mga Pilipino na every December, every Pasko, we all get together at manood ng mga MMFF movies. At siyempre, pinapakita rin yung talento ng mga Pilipino, yung mga aktor, mga filmmaker, producer, storyteller, and pinapakita rin natin na kaya rin natin. So, yeah.
Ralph, ikaw.
Sa akin naman siguro, sa dami ng problema ang hinaharap ng sambayan ng Pilipino ngayon, deserve naman natin sumaya, di ba? So I think MMFF is really the perfect opportunity to just enjoy, bond with your family, and of course, to promote pelikulang Pilipino din.
Brent?
Ayun, ako nasabi na nila pareho, pero I think iba talaga paggawang Pinoy. Dekalidad, talagang magiging proud ka na, uy, Pinoy ako kasi yung 8 films sa MMFF, parang you can't miss out on any of these movies. Kaya hopefully this MMFF po, supportan po natin all 8 entries. Yeah.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, boys, for joining us this afternoon. Samahan niyo lang muna kami dito dahil pupunta na po tayo sa exciting part of official entries for this year's festival. But before that, gusto po natin acknowledge ang ating MMFF Executive Committee for joining us in today's celebration. Kasama po natin si Yusek Frisco S. San Juan Jr. Thank you very much po. Kasama rin po natin si Honorable Aloysia Diongson Lim, Mr. Thomas M. Orbos, Mr. Direct Mr. Dennis Lorenzo B. Pinlock, kasama rin po natin, and PM General Anthony A. Abirin, kasama rin po natin, Mr. Jesse Ejercito, Tita Boots Anson Roma is also with us, and Mr. Wilson Y. Tien. Sino pa, Michael?
Let's also acknowledge the presence of Miss Maria Angeliza Lopez. Yes, at Miss Evelyn Advincula. Miss Irene Jose. Mr. James Bartolome. Miss Rowena Capulong Reyes, PhD. Miss Loris Guillen. Mr. Roy Iglesias. And Mr. Jose Joey Romero IV. Mr. Victor Villegas. Mr. June Romana. Mr. Paolo Villaluna. Mr. Noel Ferrer, and Attorney Rochelle Macapili Ona.
Yay!
Of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the president of Toplex Media and Entertainment, Mr. Alex Pamintuan. Also, our executives of GH Mall and Ortigas Malls, Architect Rene Bacani and Miss Monique Castañeda, and Mr. James Candelaria and Miss Kathy Dueñas.
And at this point, we have special announcement. Magbabalik po ang student shorts ngayong MMFF 52.
As we prepare for the biggest celebration in Philippine cinema. Mark your calendars, this Christmas and another 52 will be very, very exciting.
MMFF 52 is presented by Playtime Entertainment, and we would like to thank our partners, Toplex Media, and